Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about two things. We are going to look at my personal Square website, and we are also going to look at the back end of Square's website. Okay, so without further ado, let's go right to it. I have mine in my bookmark. Okay, here we go. Okay, here is the back end of Square's website. You can see up here it says welcome back Wanda, last published the 14th, which was just a couple days ago. I've had 81 views. Okay, and then we go down here and you can do other things. You can send emails and so forth, but let's go over here to the left. This is what I use the most, is under website, we go to edit site. Then it will bring up the website. Okay. And here we go. You can see my header. Got the picture here. Who I am, phone number, our call to action as they call it in marketing world. Contact us and how to do so. Get on the mailing list. Then we have all of our services here with the prices. We also have the difference between coaching and counseling. A little bit about what we do. Okay. Now let's see if we wanted to add a service. Let's go here. Now let's start up here. Okay. Say I wanted to change something here. Okay. You just click on it. Go over to text. There we go. Done. Okay. Let's go down a little further. Okay, say we want to add a service. Go here. We click on it. To the left, it will bring up what we need. Let's go way down here and let's add a item. Add item. If you had a physical product, that's where you would key it in here. Mine's a service. Put in a price of $5. Okay, and then you could put in an image. Save it. And it'll show up right here. And we'll save. Then it should be at the very end. Testing services, $5. Okay. That's great. let's go back down and take it out. Okay, we're going to delete a service. So come over here, testing services, to edit it here. We don't want it anymore. We're going to trash it. Asks us if we want to remove. Yes, we do. Okay, very good. Go down a little more. This was a little bit about our business and what we do. Okay, so we're done with this. There's a lot of different things you can do here. Your footer, you can change the footer. I don't really want to change my footer. I'm going to leave it just like it is. So we're ready to publish all of our changes. Okay. And then let's take a look at the website as everyone else is seeing it. Okay, there we go. Exactly what we needed. And like I was saying before, Square accepts all kinds of credit cards. So that's one of the big reasons why I liked it. So I'm just going to publish it again just to make sure. And that's really all for today's lesson. I hope this has been valuable for you. If it is, please give me the thumbs up. Please like, share, and comment below. And we'll see you on next time's video.